Hello and welcome. This instructional video will show you step-by-step how to delete or pair the camera to your monitor. You will also learn how to hard reset the camera and the monitor. Press the menu button and the menu bar will pop up. Press the left or right buttons until the camera icon is highlighted and the Scan Camera, View Camera, Add Camera, and Delete Camera menus will pop up. Press the up or down buttons to select the Add Camera icon and press the OK button to confirm. Camera 1, 2, 3, and 4 will pop up. Press the up or down buttons to select the open camera number, one that is not marked with an asterisk. Press the OK button to start searching for a camera unit. Press and hold the pair button on the underside of the baby unit until the parent unit finds the camera, beeps, and Pair OK appears on the screen. The video from the newly added camera will then appear. Press the menu button and the menu bar will pop up. Press the left or right buttons until the camera icon is highlighted and the Scan Camera, View Camera, Add Camera, and Delete Camera menus will pop up. Press the up or down buttons to select the Delete Camera icon and press the OK button to confirm. Cameras 1, 2, 3, and 4 will pop up. Press the up or down button to select the desired camera and press the OK button. Press the up or down button to select the check mark icon, then press OK button to confirm the camera deletion. On the left side of the base of the monitor, you should see a small reset pinhole. Using a pin or something small enough to fit inside, press and hold in the reset button until your monitor powers itself off. After what can take up to a minute, your monitor should then power itself back on. This will indicate that the hard reset has been completed successfully. Press and hold the pair button on the camera for approximately 20 seconds. Once you hear a long beep, release the pair button.
Reset camera.
Wait for the camera unit to complete an internal reset procedure. The red LED light will begin to flash when the camera unit is reset successfully. If you have any additional questions, please visit chillaxcare.com for further assistance, FAQs, and more. Thank you for watching our step-by-step tutorial.